Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important questions on geography. So the first question is, which one of the following countries of Southwest Asia does not open to the Mediterranean Sea? Option number A, Syria, B, Jordan, C, Lebanon, D, Israel. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So the answer of this question is option number B, Jordan. So Jordan does not open out to the Mediterranean Sea. So you can yourself clearly see in this map that Jordan is not opening out to the Mediterranean Sea. So you can refer this map also to answer questions related to this concept. So now let us discuss question number second. Through which one of the following straits does a tunnel connect the United Kingdom and France? Option number A, Davis Strait. Option number B, Denmark Strait. Option number C, Strait of Dover. Option number D, Strait of Gibraltar. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, Strait of Dover. So Strait of Dover connects United Kingdom and France. It is about 32 kilometers in length. So here is the photograph attached of the Strait of Dover. So you can clearly see Strait of Dover connects the United Kingdom and France, and its length is also 32 kilometers. So this was all about question number second. So now let us discuss question number third. Consider the following pairs: sea and bordering countries. Option number 1, Adriatic Sea, Albania. Second, Black Sea, Croatia. Third, Caspian Sea, Kazakhstan. Fourth, Mediterranean Sea, Morocco. Fifth, Red Sea, Syria. So which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? Option number A, 1, 2 and 4 only. B, 1, 3 and 4 only. Option number C, 2 and 5 only. Option number D, 1, 2, 3 and 5. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number B, 1, 3 and 4 only. So Caspian Sea borders Kazakhstan is correct. So option number 3 is correct. So A and C are eliminated, and option number 5, Syria touches Mediterranean Sea and not Black Sea. So option number 5 is wrong. So this eliminates option number D. Thus we are left with answer B. So this was the question that was asked by UPSC in 2019 previous year's question. So you can clearly see how important these maps are. So you should cover maps from standard books, and you should also cover countries which are in the news nowadays. So this was all about question number third. So now let us discuss question number fourth. Consider the following countries. First, Australia. Second, Namibia. Third, Brazil. Fourth, Chile. Through which of the above does the Tropic of Capricorn pass? Option number A, 1 only. B, 2 and 3, 2, 3 and 4. C, 1, 2 and 3. D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option number D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The Tropic of Capricorn runs through 10 countries. The countries' names are Namibia, Botswana, South Africa, Mozambique, Madagascar, Australia, Chile, Argentina, Paraguay and Brazil. So these are the countries through which Tropic of Capricorn pass. So you should cover associated topics also, like which are the countries through which Tropic of Cancer pass and through which equator pass. So this question can also be asked in further prelims examination. So this question has already been asked in previous year's questions. So now let us discuss question number 5. Mediterranean Sea is a border of which of the following countries? Option 1, Jordan. Second, Iraq. Third, Lebanon. Fourth, Syria. So select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option number A, 1, 2 and 3 only. Option number B, 2 and 3 only. Option number C, 3 and 4 only. Option number D, 1, 3 and 4 only. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, 3 and 4 only. So in this map, you can clearly see Mediterranean Sea doesn't touch Jordan and Iraq. So by elimination, we are left with answer C, 3 and 4 only. So I have already told you that these maps are very important from UPSC prelims exam point of view. UPSC has already asked questions in 2020, 2019 and in previous years also about this map. So you should cover these maps from any atlas book, that can be Oxford book or Orient Black Swan. So you can refer maps daily for 10 minutes at least. So in this way you can prepare your map portion. So this is very important from prelims exam point of view. So this was all about today's video. I hope you liked the video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you.